Hello and welcome to this broadcast from my story of success. Once you have set your goal, sometimes you find it hard to act on it. You feel dejected and defeated, not knowing what to do next. Have you ever felt like you are navigating this earth without a rudder? Walking like a dead weight, with no aim, no target in sight. Lifeless, powerless. But I have a good news for you. You were not sent on this earth to be a dead weight. You were sent to make the best of yourself. You were sent to shine like a star. All you got to do is find the spark inside you which can motivate you enough, which makes you move every inch of your being and achieve your target. You have to find a goal that drives the potential inside you. But what happens when you have found your goal but find it hard to act on it? Today, I'm going to give you a 4-step formula to do that. Number 1. You have to find what are the parts of your journey towards your goal that you're good at, that you enjoy doing. What is it that excites you to put your best foot forward? Number 2. You have to find the parts of your journey that you do not like to do, the one that are holding you back and stopping you from doing the right thing. These are the parts that you have attempted and failed at. Do not be discouraged by them, but learn your lesson and move on. Now, the 3rd step. You delegate the difficult tasks that are holding you back. You find people or resources for whom these tasks are easy, who find these tasks enjoyable. For a student facing a difficult problem, this might mean finding a fellow student or a teacher who is good at that problem. For a manager, that might mean finding the correct salesperson. Understand this, you do not have to do everything yourself. This is not humanly possible. When you need assistance, just look at the right place to find the right guide. With the difficult part out of the way, the final steps become a cakewalk. Start concentrating all your might, all your energy, all your enthusiasm on the task you love doing. It is the time to take the gloves off and throw caution to the winds. Now you become an unstoppable force and do whatever is necessary to achieve your goal. With the limitations out of the way, you'll find it much easier to drive head on. Following these 4 steps will keep you on your path to glory. If you're ready to do that, you're well on your way to write your story of success.
Created using Powtoon.